Tired of stubborn dirt, grime, and odors in your car? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best car steam cleaning machines on Amazon that can make your vehicle spotless in no time. From power to ease of use, I'll break down what makes each machine stand out. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Whether it's your daily ride or a weekend project, this list will help you find the perfect steam cleaner. Let's get cleaning. Number 1. Overall best pick, McCulloch Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC 1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool for home and car use. With a 2-hour runtime, it provides plenty of continuous steam for deep cleaning without chemicals. The 23 included accessories, including a mop head, brushes, and attachments for furniture and car detailing, make it easy to tackle floors, tiles, carpets, and upholstery. It heats up quickly and delivers consistent steam pressure for efficient cleaning. One drawback is that the unit is somewhat bulky, making storage a little challenging. Overall, it's a high-quality, chemical-free steam cleaner that's ideal for anyone seeking thorough, eco-friendly cleaning. Number 2. My second best pick, Wagner Spraytech Elite Steamer Multi-Purpose Mop. The Wagner Spraytech 925E Elite Steamer Mop is a versatile and convenient tool for chemical-free cleaning around the home. With 20 included accessories, it's suitable for hardwood floors, tile, and even stubborn grout or furniture surfaces. The mop heats up quickly and produces consistent steam, making it efficient for daily cleaning or deep scrubbing. Its lightweight design and swivel head make maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces easy. One drawback is that the water tank is somewhat small, requiring refills during longer cleaning sessions. Overall, it's a reliable, eco-friendly steam mop that combines versatility, power, and ease of use for thorough home cleaning. Number 3. My third best pick, Hoover Clean Slate Plus Portable Carpet. The Hoover Clean Slate Plus is a strong little spot cleaner that makes quick work of pet messes, upholstery stains, and car interiors. Its suction feels noticeably powerful for a portable unit, pulling out dirt and most fresh stains, while the included versatile tools, detail nozzle, upholstery tool, and crevice attachments, make targeted cleaning easy. It's lightweight and simple to carry between rooms or toss in the trunk for car detailing. One downside is the small water/solution tank. You'll likely refill during longer jobs, and very set-in stains may require repeated passes. Overall, a practical, efficient choice for homes with kids or pets. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Bissell Handheld Portable Steam Cleaner. The Bissell Steam Shot Omni Reach is a compact and versatile handheld steam cleaner ideal for quick, chemical-free cleaning. It works well on tile, grout, windows, kitchen surfaces, bathrooms, and even fabric, making it a multi-purpose tool for the home. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, and it heats up quickly for fast cleaning sessions. The concentrated steam effectively loosens dirt and grime, reducing scrubbing effort. One drawback is its small water tank, which may require refills during extended cleaning, and it's not suitable for large floor areas. Overall, it's an efficient, portable, and eco-friendly option for targeted deep cleaning tasks. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Steam Cleaner Adjustable Handle. This portable steam cleaner is a versatile and powerful tool for home and car cleaning. With a 1.69 quart tank and 15-second heat-up time, it's ready quickly and provides strong, continuous steam for tackling dirt, grease, grout, tile, floors, and even car interiors. The 3-level adjustable handle makes it comfortable to use for different tasks, and the 15 included accessories allow for deep cleaning in tight spots, upholstery, and larger surfaces. One drawback is that the tank may need refilling during longer cleaning sessions, and it can feel slightly bulky for smaller tasks. Overall, it's a practical, efficient, and multi-purpose cleaning solution. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite car steam cleaning machine? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.